Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Education Plus Arena. In last video we saw about the page structure of HTML, how and where to write the HTML code and the history of HTML. In this video we will discuss about the HTML headings, paragraphs and HTML links. So the first topic is HTML heading. So HTML headings are defined with h1 tag to h6 tag. h1 defines the most important or bigger heading, while h6 defines the least important heading. So I will show you now how it works with an example. So this is the format of our HTML document. Now I will write one heading inside the body section, my first heading 1. Now I am closing the h1 tag. Now I will copy this and I will paste 5 more times because we need 6 headings. Now I will change this h1 tag to h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Now I will save this file and open in Chrome. So this is our output. You can see the size difference between the headings. The first heading is the most important heading and the last heading is the least important heading. Now the next topic is HTML paragraph. So HTML paragraphs are defined with p tag. So let's see an example. So in body section I am writing a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Now I am closing the p tag. Now I am writing another paragraph. This is another paragraph. Now I am closing the p tag. Now I will save and open in Chrome. So after refresh you can see the paragraph easily. So this is our output. Now the next concept is HTML links. So HTML links are defined with anchor tag, that is a tag, and the destination of the link is specified in the href attribute. Now what is attribute? So attributes are nothing but it provides additional information about the HTML elements. Attributes always placed in the starting tag or opening tag. So let's see an example. So after paragraph I am writing a anchor tag, that is a tag, and inside the a tag I am giving my content as side navigation bar. So in the browser this side navigation bar only will appear as a clickable link. Now I am writing the href attribute inside the starting tag. So this href attributes holds the link's destination. So I am giving a link which I have already copied. Always give the link inside the double quotes. You can write any link, Facebook link, Google link, any link you can write. So I am saving the file and opening in Chrome. So after refresh this, a clickable link has come as a side navigation bar. After clicking on this, the link will be open. This page has come because we have given the link of this page in the href value. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.